52 crore litres of fresh or underground water is used for construction purposes daily in Bengaluru. This includes the water used in 270 RMCs located in and around the city. What if this fresh water could be replaced with the treated one? Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya. Welcome to this episode of Property Matters, where we will see as to what are the new initiatives by the KSPCB and BWSSB with respect to treated water.
BWSSB alone has 32 functioning STPs in the city. It treats 1182.5 mld of water on a daily basis. It supplies 370 mld of secondary treated water to refill 126 lakes in Kolar, 90 mld from Hebbal Valley to refill lakes in Chikkaballapura, and the remaining 460 mld of water flows to the Nalas. BWSSB is selling 6,000 litres of water at Rs 360. However, almost half of its treated water goes waste as there are no takers.
52 crore liters of water is being used in Bangalore for the construction purposes. This much quantity of fresh water, if it is replaced with the treated sewage, just imagine what is the water we are conserving. So this conserved water, otherwise from where they would be taking? Either from Kaveri, mainly from groundwater. So we will avoid depletion of groundwater and maintain our natural resources. So this water is available elsewhere for drinking purpose.
But there are many challenges. First of all, the builders are worried about the quality of water and its consequences on the quality of construction. In response to it, KSPCB says that the Tata Institute is already conducting a study on it and the results will be out soon. However, even if builders agree to use treated water for construction, logistics will be a major challenge. But KSPCB has plans for that as well.
We are trying to use artificial intelligence and managing the big data through MongoDB and data analysts. We are involving few data scientists who are coming out with a solution like Ola and Uber, where they aggregate the cabs. It's very simple for them, they just only aggregate the cabs. But in this case, we need to identify where the treated sewage is available and the quality of it and quantity available. So we are calling for expression of interest with 1, 2, 3, as many people can join. They can come out, they can aggregate these tankers. These tankers will have a different color coding so that they don't use fresh water and leads to some other complications. So this has to be exclusively to be used with the treated sewage. So once this app based aggregation is available, so imagine I am constructing a house and we have a data roughly about 27,000 liters is required for every meter square, including RMC. So the system will maintain. I'll just go to the app and say today I need about 5,000 liters of water. This system will identify the nearby using the latitude and longitude, the locations, which are the STPs which can give this water. Among these STPs, who has already supplied, who has got surplus, and what is the quality. So depending upon that, the system will direct the tanker to pick up from so and so place and come over here. And some charges will be fixed. Charges we are not going to fix. We are going to call the stakeholders like CREDAI, Bangalore Apartments Federation, and other people involved in this. So we allow them to come out with a price. So it could be for every 1,000 liters this is the price, for every kilometer this is the price, something like that. So the payment will be made directly by the consumer. It might go to the aggregator and also a part of the money to the STP owner. This is the basic idea. This has been attempted. I am very proud to say for the first time, not in Bangalore, not in India, in the world. So there is no such aggregation for the supply of treated sewage. And this way we feel we will be the front runners.
BWSSB says it will be increasing its water treatment capacity. It urges people to use treated water in order to avoid depletion of groundwater and to lessen the burden on River Kaveri.
95% ನಮ್ಮದು ಏನು ಓಪನ್ ಡ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸಿವೇಜು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು 1400 MLD ವಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಈಗ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು MIಗೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವು ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರೀಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಗ ಏನು ಕೋಲಾರದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, 2ನೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದಿದೆ, 3ನೇ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ರಾಮನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಅವರು ರೀಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಜನನು ಈ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ದು ಏನು ಕಾವೇರಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ನೀರನ್ನು, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜನಗಳು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Supply is not an issue here, but demand is. Our neighboring districts are using treated water to refill dry water bodies. However, there seems to be a lot to be done in order to persuade the builders to use treated water for construction purposes. What do you think? Do share your views in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter for more such information. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off with camera person Pragat.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.